Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. In our previous video we have understood how we can resize our data file accordingly our needs, and we can also reduce our data file size if the data is not imported that much. That means we can shrink our data file as well. So in this video we are going to look how we can rename a data file in a database. Under a tablespace, at least one data file should be there, as we have understood in our earlier videos. So now what if we don't like the tablespace name, or we don't like the data file name format, so we want to change them. So in this video we are going to discuss about that. Before we start, I would like to request you to do subscribe my channel and visit our other videos as well. Yeah, let's get started. So let us see what are the table spaces available. See, for the TB1 we created this TB1 table space, and this is having two data files. Let's get filtered this one. Right, so what we will do is, suppose we don't like this data file name, so we can rename it, right? Yeah, we can. So without suppose we are going to rename in a file, that file doesn't exist in our database. How it will be, it will react? Let us try that one. Alter database, rename file. This file we are going to change, rename to, suppose see, this file is obviously, this error is obviously will come because this is an online table space, right? The data files are either in use or something. It is in online state. Let us check. So in our previous video we have discussed about this online and offline of a tablespace status. Like, to visit that video to understand this online status. So this data files are in online mode, so we cannot rename that file, right? So let us make it offline. After making offline also, can we rename the data file? Let us see. So alter tablespace tb1 offline. So this tablespace is now offline. So can we now rename this one? Let us try. No, because this file doesn't exist, right? We are telling this database to rename this file to this file. This file doesn't exist in our file system. Let us check. No file, right? So what we will do is, we will rename this existing data file to this in file system level. After renaming this one, it is there, we can see, because we have renamed the existing data file, right? So now let us try. Here it is. So after making the tablespace offline, and after making the existence of the required data file, we can perform a rename of the data file. But this table space is not in use actually, so we have to again bring it online. Yeah, here it is. So previously this underscore was not there, and we renamed the data file like this. So this is how we can rename a data file of an existing table space. And hope you have learned something. If you learned something, make sure you subscribe this channel and do visit our other videos as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.